Poloniex Crypto Investment Platform Review. Usage Experience. Links to Poloniex are in the description below. Let's dive straight into the review. Poloniex is a well-established cryptocurrency exchange, known for offering a robust trading experience to both beginners and seasoned traders. The platform supports a wide variety of cryptocurrencies, including Bitcoin, Ethereum, and many altcoins. With a diverse range of trading pairs, it's designed for active traders who seek advanced trading options like spot trading, margin trading, and even futures contracts. These features cater well to users who are looking to leverage their investments and maximize their returns in the crypto market. A key feature of Poloniex is its trading interface, which is powerful yet intuitive. For advanced users, the platform offers advanced charting tools and real-time market data, allowing for detailed technical analysis. New users can still benefit from the simple layout and easy-to-navigate process for buying and selling cryptocurrencies. Additionally, Poloniex offers staking services for various coins, allowing users to earn rewards on their holdings. Security on Poloniex is a priority, with industry-standard measures like two-factor authentication, 2FA, and cold storage for the majority of funds. While the platform is generally considered secure, users should always remain vigilant and take extra steps to protect their accounts. One potential downside of Poloniex is its fee structure. While the platform offers competitive fees, especially for high-volume traders, its fees can be higher for smaller transactions. Additionally, the customer support team has received mixed reviews, with some users reporting slower response times during peak periods. Poloniex is also accessible via its mobile app, allowing users to trade on the go, which is a great convenience for those who need to stay updated on market movements and manage their portfolios anywhere. Overall, Poloniex is a reliable and feature-rich platform for both beginner and advanced crypto traders. With its extensive selection of coins, advanced trading tools, and commitment to security, it's a solid choice for anyone looking to invest in the crypto space. Check the description for more details and links to get started.